So well, my dear students, you have seen how the multi-purpose river valley projects have many disadvantages also. Let's recapitulate the part of the lesson what you have read. Question is there, what is a multi-purpose project? You might know the answer. These are the large-scale hydro projects where the dams waters are kept for retention, canal for irrigation, water processing, and pipelines to supply water to cities, also power generation, along with navigation. You can write the answers. Many more I have already discussed with you. What was the Jawaharlal Nehru's view on the dams? That is in what? Projects are called modern temples of India, and the answer you know. Advantages of multi-purpose river valley project. Many points I have given you. Now you read already. You can answer it. Name the social movements that form against multi-purpose dams. Very important question this is. Like Narmada Bachao Andolan and Tehri Dam Andolan and Polavaram Dam Andolan, like this. Next question is given. Make a list of any major 10 multi-purpose dams and write their benefits and locate on the outer map of India. So here I cannot show you the outer map of India. You can see in the home yourself. But the list of major multi-purpose project dams are, you may write Vakranangal, Hirakud, Tungabhadra, Nagarjuna Sagar, Sardar Sarovar, Tehri, Chambal, Beas, Farakka, Rihand, many more. Go to that class. Vakranangal is on river Satluj. By this, states get benefit: Punjab, Haryana, HP and Rajasthan. Hirakud project on river Mahanadi. Beneficiary states are Odisha and Chhattisgarh. Tungabhadra Dam on river Tungabhadra. Beneficiary states are Karnataka and part of Andhra Pradesh. Nagarjuna Sagar Dam on river Krishna for Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Sardar Sarovar Dam on river Narmada, but beneficiary states are more: Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Rajasthan. Tehri Dam on river Bhagirathi, it is for Uttarakhand state. Chambal Dam on river Chambal, it states for Rajasthan and MP. Beas River, Beas Dam, it is beneficiary states are HP, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab and Haryana. Farakka Barrage, Farakka Dam, it is for on river Ganga. Only beneficiary state is West Bengal. Last you can write Rihand project on river Rihand for UP and Bihar. Next, dear children, question is there. Give reason. In recent years, multi-purpose projects and large dams have come under great scrutiny and opposition. Why? Sure question. It is for board exam question. It is very much important question for you. It is. Reason what you like? All these disadvantage point you can add that. Next, dear children, the on an outline political map of India. Following questions I have given. That is a very important for you as per syllabus of class 10th is concerned. Already I have told you from beginning that in many slides I have shown the projects. That is for your course given here. You try to mark on the outline map of India. Here I have already marked for you. Why I will wait for you? That is, here you can see this is the India map and every map has been marked here. But now this is what dam? Salal Dam. Salal Dam on river Chenab in Jammu and Kashmir. Next, dear students, you see it is Bhakra Dam. Bhakra Nangal, you can write Bhakra Dam because Nangal is another dam in down course of this river, Satluj river. It is in Himachal Pradesh. Next, you see this is Tehri Dam. It is in Uttarakhand on river Bhagirathi, and the river is Ganga, you can say also. Next, this is in Rajasthan. This is what dam? Rana Pratap Sagar Dam on river Chambal. Next is Sardar Sarovar Dam. This is very famous dam on river Narmada in Gujarat. Next river is the Hirakud on river Mahanadi in Odisha. Remember, this is the longest dam of the world. Its length is about 27 kilometer. 5 kilometer is machinery dam, and in both the sides, both the banks, more other distances are earthen bank made by embankment dams. Next, this is your Nagarjuna Sagar Dam in Telangana on river Krishna. Last is your Tungabhadra Dam, a tributary of river Kaveri on Tungabhadra in Karnataka state. This is. Well, my dear children, now the lesson is, this part of the lesson is completed. I hope you must have, all of you, understood. Thanks a lot. We'll see you in part 3 again.